Hey guys, so today we are going to Al Marjan Resort and Spa. It's in Ras Al Khaimah. And it's my birthday, so we are going to celebrate it. Very beautiful place to visit. It's a man-made destination. Compromising of 4 coral-shaped island. Okay, so it's a very beautiful place that I've heard. So we will go and we'll explore and we'll check out how it is. Let's start our journey from here, okay guys? So let's see what we find out in Al Marjan Island. So we are on our way to Ras Al Khaimah. You can see camels over there. So camels are also there. There are many camels. We are roaming around some camels. So from Sharjah, if you come, it will take 50 minutes or 55 minutes. Otherwise, we have reached. So this is how the resort looks from outside. You can see. And now I'll show you while going up. Aishi, we have reached, right?
Yes.
So Aishi will show you the way. Please take us from where to go inside. She'll be showing us from where to go inside. Going inside, you can see that as soon as you enter, this sound of the fountain welcomes you. This beautiful bouquet of flower kept welcomes you. I'll pan my camera and I'll show you the property. Look at this construction. Look at this architecture. Amazing, isn't it? Yeah, this is the reception area. So guys, now we are going for lunch, and as I told you that we have to check in first, then we will be going for lunch. So it's time to have our lunch and load our plate with lots of food. My son found pasta and chicken nuggets, so he will be having that. And see how they are serving it nicely. Take it. Go take it to the table. Hold it nicely. Yes, very good. Yeah, these are your spoons. You can use your cutlery and you can have your food. So he says the chicken nuggets is very yummy. I'll show you what else food there. So you can see that there's Arabic bread, there is roti bread. I already showed you this. And there's no self-service board is for there because of this COVID thing. You cannot take yourself. This is lentil soup. These are salad and chutney options they have. They have this beef soup with cabbage. So there are much variety of food you'll get there. See mutton karai, vegetable biryani, moong dal, pickles, steamed rice, what not guys. Chicken items are there, steamed items are there. Yeah, the veg and non-veg mix you'll get here. This is lamb stew, you can see. These one I can show you because I cannot touch. What is this? This is buttered rice. That's yum yum. What are you having? What is there in that glass?
Water.
Are you sure? It's a tempting dessert section, which the people with sweet tooth will understand what does a yummy tempting dessert section mean to them. Did you see how nicely they have decorated it? Lovely. Oh, it doesn't end here. What are these called? There's no name not written, but these are also sweet dishes. You get fruits, some more sweets. These are Arabic sweets. This is butter and bread pudding. And see this fruits which are cut, some pickles. This is salad bar. This is pink sultan. This is labneh with mint. This is my personal favorite. It's very yummy. Hummus is also my favorite. Tuna salad, I've never tasted it. Chickpea salad, I tasted it, but I don't like it. But once you must try. If you're here, you must give it a try. Because not every day you get to taste all this variety of food, right? So this is my plate currently, and after I finish this, I will come again to check the other items. Okay, guys. So let's concentrate on this plate now. Done, Ayansh? Okay. So now I'll be eating food, so I can use the mask. Because when you're eating, obviously we don't wear mask. So these are those prawn crackers. It's very, I will not say it's yum before tasting it. See, all mayo is there. Yummy. Have you ever tasted prawn crackers? It is yummy actually. Now I'm going to taste pasta. My son already told it's very yummy. It's chicken pasta. I'll dip it with this sauce, little mayo, and I'll taste it. See the mushroom piece. That's very nice. Chicken nuggets. Very nice. Now it's time for another course. This is roasted chicken. This is baked fish. This is butter rice. This is Arabic bread. This one is snail cook. So I'm having baked fish now. With the sauce. Big bite. Big bite. Not bad. Not bad. It's healthy and it's good. Yum yum. And let me taste this chicken. Another course. I got veg biryani with mixed dal and raita. Look at my son. He cannot eat anymore. You guys, you guys can eat. He's sharing with you. So I'll tell you how is this biryani, raita, and this dal is. Let's taste. The dal is really good. The biryani is properly cooked. The flavor of masala is coming very nicely. I couldn't take any more than this because I'm already full. So one would be more than enough. So there are many varieties, just you saw, but I'm full. I cannot have any more. Happy birthday to me. Now we came out of the restaurant. Yes, I will. And now we will be going towards the pool.
It's me, Aishi. Come on, I'll show you the way to the pool.
Okay, so Aishi will be showing us the way to the pool. It's very windy, guys. You can see this fountain, then you will understand. Okay, this is the pool, and look at this property. Everywhere it is surrounded like this. This is the restaurant.
This is the way to the pool.
In the middle, they have the pool. That means it is temperature controlled, right? So guys, it is temperature controlled. You can see that. And can you see far away? It's the beach. So we'll go to the beach also. From here, I'll show you a view of how the beach is looking. Just look at the color of the water. Wow, so soothing, right?
Cycle man! Can you teach me how to cycle?
See, people are cycling over here. Now the kids want to go to the pool right now, but it's very windy, and see, only the one little part of the pool is getting sunlight. So look at them. They cannot keep patience. We didn't get out. No, guys! So this is, that side was the pool I just showed you. And this side is the beach. You can see that side is this side they have sealed it with this boulders and all, and here you can click photos, and far you can see the city, Ras Al Khaimah city. Overall it's giving a very nice view. Hey friends, they don't have beach over here, this property. They have their swimming pool, but they have blocked their beach with this boulders, so you cannot access the beach. I'll show you, I'll pan the camera and show you that side is the beach, but I'm not sure yet that how accessible that is for us. So let's see what we will do, whether we will go to swimming pool or we will go around and click the passage. It looks like this. Yes. Let's go. We are going. Ashi will be taking a storeroom. See, guys. It looks so nice. See the up portion. Oh wow. See the down portion. Oh wow. So gives you a very royal feeling, right? Because the designs what they have done it inside, it's indeed giving it a royal outlook, right? One information I would like to give you here, that as I was telling you that no, there's no beach. They have blocked their beach with the boulders, but no, it's not like that. They have their buggies. You have to take the buggies to go to the beach. You will just from the, you've seen the front side of the resort, right? You just have to cross the road and you will be taken to the beach. So we will explore beach now. So we'll be changing clothes and then we will go there. This is our room. So we are entering our room. Okay guys, so I'll take you to our room tour. I'll show you how our room is. Come on with me. So this is the room. You can see this is the bed. This is the master bed they have given us. This is where your TV is, and it's written, you can see, Mr. Vishwarup Das. It's our pleasure to welcome you here at Al Marjan Island Resort and Spa, managed by Accor. We wish you enjoyable and pleasant stay with us. So see how friendly they are, right, Karan?
Hello, TV. How are you? My
And come this
TV?
side. And see, they have given you a table. Yes, Ira. You can sit here. You can put your laptop if you have your office work. Don't forget that you can do your office work here. And if you have kids like her, you can put them here because she is excited to turn on that switch. It's not safe, I know. I'll put her down soon. Don't worry. Okay. So now I will be showing you the balcony. You have seen the furnitures they have given. The sofa. I'll show you the sofa. See, here you sit like this. Cross your legs. Order a tea. Have a sip of tea and relax. Right, Ash?
Yes,
Yes. Let's go to the balcony. How to open. Yes, I got it. Yes, come on. Check out the balcony.
Wow!
It's amazing.
Wow!
So guys, this is our small bathroom, and this little one is crazy about going and touching water. You can see the bathtub. See, this is perfect for one person to take bath. You can use this bathtub for bathing and see how nice it is. Guys, hold properly. If you fall now, I also have to hold the phone very tightly. There are chances that it may fall. Guys, hold properly, okay, Kayan? So we are going to the beach right now. It's good if you take a buggy. If you don't get a buggy, don't worry. You can walk and come just because we had kids with us. So that's why we took a buggy and came here. And if you come here, you can also bring your cycle and skate. Your kids can enjoy themselves because here is a good road where they can skate and where they can ride their bicycles. There's no waves, but it's nice. It's beautiful. Just check it out. Behind you can see our hotel, right? That is the resort where we came. So you can understand it's not that far. So we'll be here for quite some time now because the kids are really very excited to come here. Happy guys? So here at the beach there are many water sports. There is water scooter. You can play beach balls and all. There's a swing. There's a dollhouse. There's a seesaw here. There's a toy car. So see how they are enjoying here. Yes, go for it. Jump and go. Yay! Great going, guys.
Oh, hey, wait.
There's a starfish over here. No, it's alive. I think. No. पानी पे डालना चाहिए क्या इनको? ऐसे मैं तो नहीं कर सकती. कुछ स्टिक हो लेके डाल देना चाहिए because वो जिंदा है. Guys, look at her. She said it's very cool. It's very cool. Put the jacket and you go inside. You go inside. Take my mask off. Yeah, of course. Enjoy. Oh, it's so nice. So this is the water scooter we are sitting right now. You can see this. And no, we are not doing anything because we are not that adventurous. Yes, we like doing it, but the thing is that it's quite expensive. So they are charging 400 dirhams for an hour. So it's little expensive, and we are not that adventurous type. Those who are, they should definitely do it. So you can get to see some stunts they will be doing. Woohoo! See that!
Oh my God.
So I'm sure there are many of you who are adventurous one. Woo! That was awesome, guys. Did you see that? Just keep watching. Oh, just look at them. Just look at them. Isn't it amazing, guys? Woohoo! This is how you have to have fun when you're with the water scooter, you know. Whoa! So it's swimming pool time, guys. Yes. I didn't bring Babu. You close your eyes, put your face inside. You see, you'll have fun. That's why I told you, you have to remind Mama what Mama has to pack. Hey guys, so after the beach, we went to the pool as you saw. And we are dead tired now. We came home. Not my home, this is not my home. I'm sorry, I can't call it my home. We came to our room and we just, after freshening up, I'm having this refreshing cup of coffee. This is complimentary. Every room has this coffee. And with these chips which we got from home because I was feeling very hungry. So these kids were also having, so I thought why not me also share some of their snacks. So like that, you can see my refreshing cup of coffee. So cheers, guys. Hey guys, so you can see this is my birthday cake. It was a surprise from my husband. As today is my birthday, he asked the hotel employees to arrange this cake for me, and they were telling that we are supposed to go and cut it at the dining hall, but he requested them, and because of his request they have made this possible at home, at my room. Again, I'm calling this resort my home, God knows why. So you can see how beautiful this cake is. I'm really thankful to God for giving me such loved ones around me. I'm really thankful. So I'll be cutting this cake soon. I'm waiting for my friends who are in their rooms changing clothes, freshening up. So as soon as they come, we'll cut the cake. It's a very lovely cake. I know I cannot share it with you guys, but I can share my love. I can share my good wishes for you all. Thank you all for being there. Thank you each one of you for being there. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Auntie ka? Happy birthday! Woo! Now! 1, 2, 3, start! Woo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! It's dinner time now, so everybody is having dinner at different restaurants which is available here. There are 3 or 4 restaurants other than the one of the resorts. So there are plenty of options here. People are having dinner, they're having outdoor dinner. In the morning, you remember I was showing you a place where you can go and take pictures. There people are having, they have arranged some romantic dinner over there, and the couples have asked the restaurant manager to arrange for them, and they have arranged separately for them. So it's looking really awesome. I'll pan the camera and I'll show you how is it looking. It's decorated very nicely with so many lights and all. See, that was the place where you can see with balloons where we went in the afternoon, and this is how it looks. Okay, seen that? So now we have ordered our dinner. We have decided not to eat from the resort because in the afternoon we already had from here, so we decided to try something different this time for dinner. So we have ordered from a nearby restaurant from Zomato. So whatever we will be eating, you all will see that. Okay guys, you can see the moon. Wow.
Okay.
You love walking here. It's not that cold, it's a very pleasant weather. Very nice. The weather is really good. A soothing breeze you can feel. Nothing is visible this side. And look here. We are feeding our kids. We ordered chicken biryani. We ordered chicken lollipop. As I told you, you can order from place from Zomato. So now it's kids' time to eat. Then we all will eat. So then we get to see what are we eating extra. There's nothing extra. There's charcoal chicken. We ordered shrimp, lollipop, garlic biryani. That's all. This is what we have ordered today.
Let's go eat the
Cheese. It's morning and we are very late today. It's already 10 o'clock. We didn't realize that we slept so much. So right now we came for breakfast. So there are a wide range of breakfasts. Now I'm having scrambled egg. It's good. So we really slept too much. So I'm having my coffee now. This is 1 cup of coffee you really want in the morning. And also you can see this veg sandwiches. Very yum. This vermicelli upma. All are very yummy. We have also ordered juice. This pineapple juice.
Also apple juice.
What I'm doing is that I'm making a cocktail. Everything, juice, tea, coffee, green tea, everything I'm drinking together. So this is how we started our morning. Now let's see what we do in the day. Supper. You can see the vermicelli here. This is cheese omelette, hash brown. This is vada, juices. My husband is having tea. My son just had this breakfast. And we'll be hitting the pool soon. We are very late, guys. We are very late. We are not supposed to get up late when you're out, when you're at your resort, when you're outside, anywhere. Because we are supposed to get up on time. So good morning to everyone. This is our pool type, guys. See the kids. See them enjoying here. So we'll be here for another 1 or 2 hours. Then we will be leaving the resort. Of course, after clicking some nice pictures. So guys, it's our checkout time. It's almost, what's the time? 1:58. So we are checking out right now. So we are ready with our luggage.
This is my scooter.
This is our scooter.
This is my scooter backpack.
This is his scooter backpack. So we are leaving right now. So the checkout procedure is going on. So after that, we are going to leave from here. Yeah. What do you want to say about the resort? How you liked it? What you didn't like about the resort?
First I want to tell what we didn't like.
Okay.
So yes, little bit not promising about the beach area that we didn't find very nice. It's okay for few minutes, but it's not good like we can invest more time over there.
Okay.
But definitely I like the pool area. It's quite good. The luxury is good. The dining is good. All the staff members are good.
Would you recommend our viewers to come and visit this resort?
Yes, definitely.
Priyanka and Bappa, do you have anything to say about the resort?
I think on weekdays it is more cheap.
So Priyanka, I want to ask you, you have your small girl with you. She is right 2 years old. So would you recommend people with kids like yours to come?
It's a kids-friendly place, and their kids' pool is also very nice.
Okay.
We can leave kids unattended also. It's not very deep. So I think it's a good place to come with kids.
Okay, thank you. As I told you that this is our checkout time, now we are going back home. It was an eventful day. Yesterday we had so much fun. We were awake till 2 a.m. I told you. So now it's time to go back home. So there's a song which came in my mind, which I thought, why don't I sing that song for you guys? I'm not any singer. I am a bathroom singer, but it's okay. That what I feel is that whatever you wish to do, whatever you want to do, you should do it, guys. So here is a song for all of you there. Down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shines daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship. When I reached Jamaica, I made a stop, but I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. So Sounds of laughter everywhere and the dancing girls swing to and from. I must declare my heart is there, though I have been from it to Mexico. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is broken, my head is turning around. I have to leave a little girl in Kingston town. It's alright guys. Do like my channel, like, share and subscribe. Lots of love for all of you. May God bless you. Stay blessed. Be happy. Take care of your family. Love you.